Hi, what is insurance? Mammoth go crazy. Boom. Smash hut, smash roof, smash bed. You cry, oh no, me lose bones, me lose favorite rock. Cuckaw then smart caveman come. He say, every moon, give me small bones. If bad thing happen, me give you big bones back. Tribe call this insurance. It like big basket. Many cavemen throw little bones inside. Basket stay closed. But when fire burn hut, or river eat house, or mammoth dance on roof, basket open, bones come out. Funny part, if no bad happen, basket stay closed. You get nothing. You pay for maybe. Like invisible spear. You hope never need. But glad it there when danger come. So insurance not magic. Not free bones. It protection spell. Make caveman sleep good at night. But careful. Give too many bones. And you eat only grass soup. Now you smart. Maybe smarter than mammoth. If laugh. If learn. Hit fire button me mean subscribe.